And gentlemen, welcome back. Edward here, CEO Editech Solutions, and today I'm again back with a small topic on how to back up Google contacts, phone numbers, email addresses, whatever. Even if you want to back up phone numbers on your Android phone and export them to your iPhone and export them to any other phone, or you want to put them into PDF, or you want to store a CVC file or into Excel, this is a simple tool, a simple way of doing it. I made a video earlier on how to use Google Contacts, how to organize your contacts with Google Contacts, how to find duplicates. There is a video already on that. So in case you want to have a balance of things, you can go and watch that video as well. And I always tell you, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because we don't want you to miss anything crucial. Now, today's topic is going to be how to back up your contacts with Google Contacts. Okay, Google Contacts is already an app with Google. So then how do you back up your contacts with that? When you have Android and you have your email address already synced in, then your contacts are already, syncing with Google Contacts. But then there is a situation which will come, you want to move away from Android to iOS, or you simply want to save your contacts just in case there is a problem, your phone is lost or what. How do you do that? I'm going to show you the few steps of how to do that, and I believe this video will be quite helpful. But along the way, you'll meet two words which I'll be saying. One is CVC and the other one can be Excel. Those are the two that we're going to look at. Well, those are two formats of storage. We're going to export in one of them. Okay, let us see it practically here. Actually, I opened some sites if you want to get reference on definitions and what. I have one here called this is Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet program included in Microsoft Office suite of applications. Spreadsheets present tables of values arranged in rows and columns that can be manipulated mathematically using both basic and complex arithmetic operations. You can read on your own about Excel. There are so many sites are defining it, and I believe you're also familiar with the application. Then the other tool is CVC, right? Let me put CVC, comma, values, no, CVS, comma, separated values. That is it in full. Let's see its definition here. Okay, before we go there, it's a comma separated values. It's a comma separated value file format. In computer, a CVC file contains the value in a table as a series of the ASCII text lines organized so that each column value is separated by a comma from the next column value. Okay, and each row starts a new line. Here is an example. When they go down, this is it. So we are going to save in one of these styles. I will make a video again explaining this one into details, but let me not complicate this video. I've made it for a beginner, a layman, and for those people who are looking for very quick solutions. Okay, those are two definitions. We might either use Excel or CVC, but Excel is much more familiar. People are much more familiar with Excel. Alright, let's log into Google Contacts. If you remember the other day I told you to log into Google Contacts. The URL is contacts.google.com, that one. Okay, when I click on it, mine normally is in the browser. That's good. I thought I'm going to automatically log in. I've made videos of password keepers before. So if I just click next, let's see, they will log me automatically. I don't need to put my password. I've made a video on that one on two applications. If you go through the list, you'll find that application of how to save passwords in your browser for quick logins and retrieval of information. Okay, now this is our dashboard of Google Contacts. Like I told you the other time also, I have 1,238 contacts, and I don't want to scroll through them because of privacy issues. But for the purposes of today's lesson, we shall head straight to this left column. You see we have a lot of tabs here: contacts, frequently contacted, duplicates, labels, edit solutions, job search UAE. These are labels. Like I was trying to group my contacts in categories. So I had one that is edit solutions. Those are corporate numbers that I put there, and then job search UAE. Those people who come and they want help with the job search in UAE, so I put their numbers in that label or in that group. But our main concern today is we click on more. Then you see the three. One is import, one is export, one is print. Import is to export, is to import what was exported earlier. Export is to make a fresh backup. Export for future importations. Then print, you can print your contacts as well, but I have 1,000. That means that the pages will be too much. Now let me head straight to export. When I click on export, it gives you these options here: export as Google CVC, export as Outlook CVC, export as vCard for iOS contacts. If you're taking it to iOS Apple phones, then it will go as a vCard. If it is Outlook, you want to take all these contacts and then sync them with the Microsoft Outlook, then you take a CVC. If you want it to be with the Google CVC, no problem. So I think we should take Google CVC by default. I say export. Now when we export, we get our file here. The file is downloaded here. If we go into folders, this is the file. This one, let me drag it to the desktop. It's a very small file. This one. Now this one has all your contacts, and basically most of the time this application can open with Microsoft Excel. So I'll just double click on it to see if we want to see how it looks when opened in Excel. You can also open it with Notepad. You can open it with so many other applications out there. So I'm trying to open it with Excel. Now this is it here. This is how it comes. So it means I have all my numbers here. I have the given name, I have the additional name, I have all these fields talking about that. And you see when you scroll further to this side, it is a very big database. Website value, organization, what, but we are interested in the numbers and the names. So I can filter out my table or delete unnecessary columns and then get to the point. You get the point? Alright, that is that, and I think I should end this video here. If you have any questions, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and drop all your questions in the comment box. Please share our videos because there are so many people out there in all parts and corners of the world who are still stuck on such things. You might be a genius, you might be an expert. I know if there is anywhere you feel that I've not addressed very well and you are an expert, you can come to our inbox and then let us know how we can improve our things. But again, if you're a beginner, this video is basically for you. You cannot miss out anything. Thank you very much. I remain Edward Sevume, CEO, Editech Solutions, Traflight, Attain Work, and others. Sign out.